In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to a section on Wix. This process is a great way to improve navigation on your website, making it easier for visitors to find the content they need. Let's dive in. First, make sure that you're logged into your Wix account. Using a web browser such as Google Chrome or any other browser of your choice, simply navigate to wix.com. You'll want to log in with your credentials here if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main page, locate the Site Actions section, and from there, click Edit Site. Doing so will take you into the Wix editor where you can start making changes to your website. Now that we're in the Wix editor, let's move on to adding an anchor. On the left sidebar, you'll see a button labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that. When the options expand, look for Menu and Anchor and click on it. This is where you'll find the tools necessary for creating navigational links within your site. Under Menu and Anchor, click on Anchor. An anchor is essentially a placeholder that you can link to, making it easier for visitors to navigate to specific sections of your page without scrolling manually. With the anchor now added to your page, take a moment to place it wherever you need this jump to functionality. Once placed, it's crucial to give your anchor a unique name. The name should be something descriptive that lets you easily identify it later. For example, if it's for a section about your company's history, you might call it Company History. Now that the anchor is set and named, it's time to connect it to a button or a link. Select the button or text you want visitors to click on to jump to your anchor. In the link options, select Anchor, and you'll see a list of the anchors you've added to your page. Choose the anchor you just named. Before you finish, don't forget to type your link into the URL field. This should correspond to the section of the website you're linking to. This step is crucial as it ensures the link is functional when clicked. Once that's done, it's a good idea to preview your site. This allows you to check if the jump functionality works as expected. Look for any issues like incorrect anchor placement or broken links. Finally, if everything looks good, head over to the top of the Wix editor and click Save. Then go ahead and click Publish to make these changes live on your site. And there you have it, a seamless way for users to jump to different sections on your Wix page. This feature is a fantastic enhancement to user experience, and now you're all set to implement it on your own site. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.